Bitcoin daily time frame price is making higher high with higher low. So our uptrend has been started and this level was your bottom at 15,479. Your 135 impulsive wave has complete and you can call it larger degree wave 1 then correction wave 2. Right now we are in larger degree wave 3. So that drop was your rate hike and that trend has been ended, and right now your next trend is rate pause, and those are intraday move which are very clear in gold compared to Bitcoin. But soon you will get rate pause and after that rate cut. And final step which why we invest in Bitcoin is QE that will come next year 2024, not this year, but rate cut will start this year and it can happen in September FOMC meeting. And market pricing for rate cut speculation is very clear in gold because price is near its all-time high 2075 while Bitcoin is below its all-time high price, and same thing with silver. And if you compare these three things, then you can see gold is winning the race because gold is almost near the all-time high, and that bottom which was came when banks were collapsing and one of the bank was related to crypto industry, that is why we saw big red candle, but that was a small financial crisis and Fed started QE monetary policy that was temporary, that was small in size like 300 billion, and what indirectly they printed money to save Bitcoin, because if they have not printed money Bitcoin may have collapsed below 15k. They did that thing indirectly, not direct. While in news you see they repeat one thing so many times, if Bitcoin crash like SP 500 then they will not print money to save Bitcoin, but they did, and since then it is vertically up and now sideways. So after rate cut QE monetary policy will come, everybody know, especially Bitcoin investor, so they are buying before official announcement. So that was your bottom and that is your sideways correction. And compared to gold and oil, you can trade these two things on intraday basis, but Bitcoin either goes vertical or goes sideways. So if it come down, retest this previous high near 25k, then buy. And if you want to buy at current price, then manage some risk, then you can buy. And your first near support will be 25 to 70, and for upside resistance we will see weekly time frame, and from this top to this bottom when you draw few retracement tool, first upside target will be 61% retracement, that's mean 48,555. That is your first upside resistance, and compared to current price your resistance target is very high. But main thing is stagflation, And when first stagflation came, there was only gold, and this is second stagflation. This time we have Bitcoin. So gold is almost near the all-time high, but Bitcoin, you can see it has not even made 38% retracement. So by the time Bitcoin reached 69,000, its all-time high, gold must be trading at $3,000 price. So based on that stagflation trade in terms of priority, number 1 is gold, number 2 silver, because that is also below all-time high, then last 3 is Bitcoin. Because gold go up when inflation come, because rate cut will create more inflation, while we buy Bitcoin against currency debasement. When they will print again on name of QE monetary policy, then we will buy Bitcoin and no resistance before 48,555. And fundamental of gold and Bitcoin are same. When somebody said buy gold, he also saying buy Bitcoin. But when somebody says sell Bitcoin, that means Bitcoin will go $0. That is big difference. And for that we need company like Coinbase. On this big red candle right on the bottom, FTX collapsed, and if Coinbase also declare bankruptcy, then Bitcoin can go zero. But if this crypto exchange survive, then Bitcoin will also survive. And your first target will be 69,000, then your all-time high. But for long-term trend, first it is investment against currency debasement, money printing, and second thing is central bank. Central bank are trying to create CBDC. CBDC will have direct competition with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and central bank are enemy of each other. Both cannot survive at the same time, because central bank will never stop printing money, while Bitcoin is limited in supply. They cannot print. And in past the good option was gold, but problem is you cannot leave country with physical gold. And if new Hitler or Stalin comes again, then we will see value of Bitcoin. So for all-time high you have to wait till next year 2024, but this year you can easily see 48,555 till end of the year. That's mean fourth quarter this year. And for next great buying signal in Bitcoin, you can join my Telegram channel. When price was below 50% retracement level, I said there is a risk, but Bitcoin is inside buy zone. So when new buying opportunity comes, signal come, you will be updated in Telegram.